In this episode, we're gonna see if Darren can get in to the Jeep one-handed. Oh, barely. Oh. Hold on. Gotta put the camera down, put the seatbelt on. Bam! Alright. Let's roll the window down. Let's take this thing for a Sunday morning cruise. Yeah. Alright. I gotta make sure I'm not running over any small children or old women. Or, I guess, guys with walkers. It's always fun getting in the Jeep. Alright, 99 TJ Sahara. Little has 4-liter, of course. I actually think all Saharas have 4 liters. Pedestrian up here. Guess I need to pull over. Give him the right of way. I guess I could put it in. I know that guy. Oh, hey, you know, I got a couple funny things. We got a couple dogs here that in this subdivision lay right in the middle of the road. I wonder, I mean, what is in a dog's head letting them think that they can just lay in the middle of the road and they're like, stop, you must pet me before you go by. I don't know. All right, topic on hand is Rusty's Tire Carrier. So this TJ here has 35s on it, and it's not going to be a installation video because it's already done's all been installed for approximately a year. And you know, I was just thinking when we took it out, and I was like, oh man, if there's just one product that I've just been overly pleased with, it's been the tire carrier. And well, you'll see why, but I gotta finish this drive first. Just a quick little spin around the subdivision. Yeah, doesn't take much to make me happy. So this Jeep here has long arms, Dana 44 in the back. We put that in. We re-geared it. I'm gonna have to look. I can't remember exactly what we put in it for gears. Of course, you got to re-gear. I mean, and this little buggy gets used a lot. I mean, on the trails. We'll be showing you. This thing is not just driven on the road. It actually sees more trail miles, you'll see, than it does actually on the highway. Alright, let's check this tire carrier out. This Rusty's Tire Carrier. Alright, so here's the mounts I was telling you about. It's basically an OEM replacement. So you take your OEM tire carrier off, this goes on, has bronze sleeves. You know what, let me zoom right in there so you can get close up. All stainless steel hardware. Well, no, that's not stainless, but that's stainless, that's bronze. The sleeves in there, everything is incredibly well built, because this is a 35. It says that you can put, I believe, man, I wanted to say they're saying you can do up to 40. But anyway, so here's the additional bolt holes so you can raise and lower this, depending upon what size tire you got in there. And really no modifications on this. It comes with what is that, 3/16 steel. Either way, there's a bracket that comes in here and bolts to the back side of where these are and goes and attaches to the backside of your roll bar, and then there's one up underneath to support this bracket too. But there's very, very little modification you have to do to your reap to make this thing work. Got your brake light right there, and it does work. And what's awesome about this is the way it shuts. Oh man, it doesn't get any better than that. Well, it's not much of a review because it works. So yeah, it's been installed for, like I said, over a year, and yeah, I dig it. So a lot more to come on this Jeep and what we're doing to this bad boy. Got a lot of fun stuff that's happening to this. All right. Yeah. Sweet. That's the way a tire carrier should be. None of this. Yeah, I don't know why the TJ's got to suffer with horrible tire carriers.